Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a ride on the Lyft app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're about to call it for bed and you need to schedule a ride for tomorrow morning and you want to make sure it arrives on time because you're going to the airport. How do you actually go ahead and schedule a ride ahead of time? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Lyft app. Next, click on schedule ahead. Then this is where you can actually go ahead and set the start location and the destination. So we're going to go ahead and type in airport here and we're going to click on airport. Afterwards, simply follow all these prompts here. And then this is where you could actually go ahead and schedule the ride. Click on next and then click on schedule as soon as you select your current car. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and schedule a ride on the Lyft app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.